Today, in Venice, in this ancient and historic city, is renewed an historic moment. We are gathered here to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to cherish the words that, after 13 years, we renew in confirmation Terelinn and Alejandro in marriage. You may doubt that the stars are fire. You may doubt that the sun does move. You may doubt truth to be a liar, but never doubt I love you.
Just 21 years ago, you swept me with beauty, happiness, love. You engulfed my life into a life that I never envisioned that I would have.
I didn't know that God had a plan for us. And that plan included Liam. And Liam has been the most amazing gift of my life.
I was afraid of having Liam because I was afraid that our lives were going to change. And I wasn't going to be able to be with you like I always have. That did not happen. My life became better. It's always better.
I, Terelinn, vow to you, Alejandro Gaston, that I will always walk beside you, not behind you and not in front of you, but right alongside of you, like I have for the last 13 years. I promise that I will never in my life be without this family until I die. Thank you for always supporting me, for always making me feel beautiful, for telling me that you love me every single day of my life.
I am the luckiest person alive. And I could never be without you. I love you forever, T. And I tell you that every day. You're everything to me.
All stories start the same. Nothing new under the moon. Here is the story of Alejandro and Terelinn as 13 years ago, husband and wife.